my channel, or welcome. My name is Kristen and my channel is Life Made Simple. Today is going to be a decorate and clean with me video. I have technically already decorated for the Christmas season, but if you guys do not know, this is our first year in this house and there's a lot of renovations going on and DIY projects, so everything is just kind of a slew of a mess, and I didn't go extremely out on decorating, but funny fact, I do have to redecorate this tree, which I will go into that. But today's video is a collab with my friend here on YouTube. She is also on Instagram. I will put both of her handles up on the screen. But her name is Hope and her channel is called Real Life Mama. She does cleaning, organization, a lot of family vlogging, and she's just genuine a great person. She is also pregnant with her 5th child, so after you're done watching this video, pop on over to her channel, tell her I sent you, and just tell her hi, and if you like her, please subscribe. I've pretty much already decorated most of the house, but I do have to redecorate this tree because if you can see, the lights are horribly thrown on there. Like, they look so bad. So bad. I don't know what I was thinking, but this year we did a fake tree, which I've already owned this fake tree, and just here in Texas we could not find a reasonably priced real tree, and they don't have anywhere around us that you can go and actually cut a tree down, which is what we normally do. So I went with our fake tree, and you know, lazy old me decided, hey, I'm gonna try not to make the lights go all the way around the tree. I'm just going to like string them on the front, because I've seen something on Pinterest, you know, where that makes the tree look like better or something. No, not at all. It looks horrible at night. You can't see it, which is when I decorated it in the dark at night. Really don't know where it was going with this, but yeah, so I need to take everything off, which thankfully I did not put that many ornaments on it this year, but I need to redo these lights because it looks hideous. And if we actually have people over, I would be very ashamed of how my tree looks. And I also just bought some really great flocked garland. It's 9 feet long. I got it from Walmart for like less than $13, which is freaking amazing. It's really pretty. So I wanted to possibly stick it up there on top of this curtain, or either put it over my bed. So I haven't figured that out yet, but those are the 2 things I'll be doing. And then this house, if you can just see, it's just a mess. So let's go ahead and get into this because this is probably going to take me all day.
I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. Christmas in my heart, and I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Oh, yeah.